2 ชั่วโมงเชฟบัสสะดวก
Hi.
มากแค่กดปุ่มแล้วพูดฮัลโหลแม่ดาวน์โหลดบัสเลย
Please excuse my look. Ooh.
Play into darkness to get your attention. We slay. Yeah, we gon' get it now. Ha, ha, ow. So we never stop.
Thank you. Hi. Kamusta? How are you guys?
No need to hesitate. Oh, you
Happy birthday sa mga may birthday.
keep chasing all the plans, defeating all the plans.
Sorry, I've been gone a while. I was just really busy the past few days. Gusto dyan sa Bangkok Pool. Tomorrow, we have Cat Expo performance at around like 4:40 p.m. And yung weather dito is super mainit. Pero minsan maulan. So, okay naman. Thank you. I miss watching your live on Kumu Koli. Me too. I feel like we'll have, I don't know, let's see if I can regularize this stream. Kasi super busy. Super busy talaga. Hello. Kamusta kayo? Miss ko kayo, super. Tagal kong nawala sa ako kids mo. Siguro mga 15 minutes public live, tas 15 minutes sub live. Kasi ang kalat ng kwarto, kailangan ko maglinis. Thank you, Eddie Meow. Miss ko na rin, girl. Thank you, Natsu, for the roses. Yeah, so first update is I changed my hair color. I dyed it back to brown. Thank you, Intermelon Matcha. Thank you, Kuya Dom. Na-busy din ako eh. It's okay. Thank you. Hello. Okay ka lang naman ba? I'm fine naman. Actually, my gastritis has been acting up. Pero okay lang. Naayos naman siya. Pag natapos natin, yeah, okay. And then, we released this single lipstick. And then, ano pa ba? Baka may tanong kayong gusto nyong itanong. Kwentuhan tayo kahit onti lang. Kasi busy na naman ang ating Yokoli. Baka tomorrow, let's see if pwede ako mag-live tomorrow. Pag hindi masyadong busy. Why am I blurred? Di ka pa nakapunta sa Fairview. Fairview dito?
ต้องซ่อมสิคะถ้าผมช็อตก็ต้องทรีทเมนต์ power shot ตัวแม่เหมือน
Hello. Thank you, Andy Meow. Hi. Uy, long time no see. Hello. Musta? Sa Quezon City. Hindi ko alam kung nakapunta na ako ng Fairview sa Facebook. I'm not sure. Maybe not. Musta ka na? I'm doing good naman. Kaka-release lang namin ng bagong single, Quad Lips, na lipstick. So, I hope you guys stream it. Ito. Kung di nyo pa napapanood, tignan nyo sa tignan nyo sa YouTube. Kumain ka na ba? Yes. Hindi ko nga na-check yun. Baka hindi pa. Or hindi ko lang alam. Pero nag-mall show na ata kami doon. I don't remember. Anong oras na call? 9:25 pa lang here. Pero, yeah. Stream lipstick. Bango nito. Thank you, Natsu. Wala kaming post. Thank you, Natsu, for the roses. Namiss ko mga live mo. Minsan na lang makadalaw. Good luck sa thesis. Gusto ko na mga drum. Me too! Gusto ko na rin mag-drums. Thank you. Wala po ako sa Philippines. Bangkok, Thailand person tayo today. Ikaw ba'y matangkad ng short hair sa gitna? Nasa likod ako na may hawak na balloon. Hoping din kami. Yes, and peke it was a wig. It was a wig. Tapos, natuto din ako maglagay ng contact lens. Dahil dito sa ano na to, sa single na to. Alam nyo ba? May kwento ako dyan. Dati, nag-try na ako mag-contact lens. Nung Kenki Say pa. Sila Ate Ems, si Ate Lainey pa nag-ano nun, tsaka si Ate Rowie. Hinawakan nila ako dalawang kamay dito. Tapos, may isang taga-dilat ng mata, tapos may isang taga-lagay ng contact lens sa mata ko. So, ayun, yun yung first time na naglagay ako ng contact lens, tapos tinanggal ko agad kasi hindi maayos yung pagkalagay. Tapos wala akong makita. It's kind of blurry yung vision ko. Kamusta na po sila Ate Coley? Ate Lainey, I feel like she's a G-Force na. Ate Erks, hala, hindi ko pa sila nakakausap. Pati si Ate Rowie, hindi pa. Wild Lips X Dua Lipa ko lang. Let's see. Thank you, Natsu, for the roses. Hala ka, Char. Ako chinta ka mo. Thank you. Gusto ko mag-live. Am I late? What time nag-start? Siguro a few minutes ago lang. Wig ba yung ibang book mo sa lipstick? Yes. It is a wig. Dito, sa MV na to, orange pa yung hair ko. Hindi pa ako nagpapa-black. Recently lang ako nagpa-brown. Yeah, si Ate Erks. Ate Ems. Before. Hindi na kami nagkakausap eh. But let's see. Tulog na call. Yes, maya-maya magsisleep na. Actually, ang dami ko pa kailangan gawin for tomorrow. I need to prepare for tomorrow. Hello, I miss you guys! Yeah, we'll have sub live after this one. 39 days na lang Pasko na. Yun pa! Na-stress pa ako kasi baka hindi ako makauwi ng Pasko. Live siya sa IG. Oh, really? Stream lipstick! Stream lipstick! Pag ito nag 50k. Pag ito nag 50k, tas mataas yung percentage ng Philippines. Uuwi ako ng Pinas. Pag ito, hindi, 100k. Pag December na, lapag mo na yung MV ng summertime, please. Ooh. For summertime, I don't have any information about summertime. Legit. You're still gonna go home sa Pinas whatever happens. Hindi ko nga alam if I'd be able to go home on Christmas. So, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you very much for asking. How about you? Are you fine? How are you? What's summertime? Tag-ulan na. Anyway, stream lipstick. Stream lipstick. Ayan o, maulan-ulan yung ano. Maulan-ulan ang lipstick na MV. May kidlat-kidlat. So, ano pa ba? May tanong pa ba kayo? Ano bang pwedeng ikwento? Pag-isa mo lang po, ate. Yeah, I'm alone. I mean, not alone. I'm with the girls. I'm with Fenisan, Hinasan, and Fame here sa dorm. Or sometimes si Fame umuwi sa kanila. Aba, syempre hindi. Oshi. Pero kami Oshi sa Quadlips. Ako. Ganun. Rinig niyo ba? Selosa ako eh. Sorry. Hindi ko munti yung sumulat. Oo nga eh. I don't know. Okay lang. Rinig na rinig naman ako eh. Hesitate. Rinig niyo ba ako? Yun yung mahalaga, basta rinig ako. Kasi dito, kumbaga parang main. Sa overdrive, ako yung main doon. Sa checklist, ang main doon. I mean, hindi naman center na parang main ganon. May ano lang, may member, may specific one member lang na ginigit na. So, dito, it's Fenisan. And then, sa overdrive was me. Sa checklist si Hinasan. And then, secret. I cannot say anything else. And Hinasan is already resting. Main vocal in general, yes. I'm main vocal in Quadlips. Yeah, overdrive fave ko eh. Wow! Grabe ba? Thank you, Tanjiro, for the heart. Thank you, Rishin. Hello! Walang ano daw? Hindi ko naintindihan. Hello? Wala, hindi ko naintindihan ang daw. Regard. Ang daw? Kunimo. Bakit? Ang sabi? Magpabangs ba ako? Pwede kayo magsuhinanda challenge ni Fema? Oo nga no, pwede. Pasabog yung violet hair mo, hindi ka na namin nakilala. I'm good, thank you. Nung una, gusto ko sana, ayun, ito pa, gusto ko i-dye yung hair ko ng purple na, itong color na to. Yung pink, tsaka yung purple. But, the stylist, I mean, yung hair salon na mismo, yung hair salon mismo nagsabi, hindi na pwede i-dye yung buhok mo kasi girl, patay na siya. Hindi niya na kaya yung bleach. Kaya hindi na ako nagpa-dye na. Hindi ko na kaya mag-bleach ng hair. Kasi sunod-sunod eh. Kailangan kita makikita sa MV na MNL48. We have Quadlips. You see me in Quadlips MVs. You can see me there. Ano ka ba magluto? A little bit. Kaya ko na mag-adobo. Adobo lang. Hi! Hi guys! Mahirap na baka makalbo ka pa. Yun nga eh. Kaya we resorted to wigs. The problem is, si ate mo girl, hindi niya kayang mainit. Hinihimatay si ate mo girl sa init. Kaya nung grabe na. Actually, alam ng mga ano yan, alam ng mga lalabs na gusto ko magpakalbo, legit. Kasi nga yung buhok ko gusto ko umulit from the top. But yeah, syempre idol, kailangan may buhok. Unless mala XG ako, di ba? May ko na. Naka-wig na, tas naka-beanie pa. Mahirap na. Sobrang init. Thank you, Eddie Meow, for the cheer you up. Thank you for the roses. But yeah, so far, that's my life update. Tapos, may utang pa ako sa inyo na dare. Patapusin ko muna tong Cat Expo. Nagkikita pa ba kayo ni Frances? Not anymore. I'm in Thailand. Thank you, Eddie Meow. Hiwagang mirror. Grabe naman. Yeah, yung palaro natin last time. Hello, sawadee-ka. 48 fan. 80H or 48? Gusto ko ng quad lips merch. I don't know when we'll go to the Philippines, but for sure we'll promote in the Philippines. Siguro mga 10 songs pa. Puntahan nyo na kasi ako dito. Bakit sunod-sunod ang comeback nyo? Kasi why not? Pero I don't know. Pero okay naman. May reason pala yun. Pero hindi ko pwede sabihin. Sige punta kayo bukas. Kasi meron kami ganap bukas Cat Expo. September hindi naman tayo nagkita. Sana nandyan ka pa po. Oh! Dito pa ako nun. Ito na. Halika na. Tara na dito sa Thailand. Kasi dito, madami tayong masya-shopping. Madaming shopping, madaming mapupuntahan, ganyan. Kala mo madali lang. Ako na, sagot ko na pamasahe nyo. Sagot ko na piso. Hindi ka maliligaw din. Ayun lang, mahirap, ang ano lang dito, ang downside lang dito is, not majority can speak English. Passport na lang ulang. Uy, madali lang din mag-ano ng passport. Pero syempre, dapat ready kayo ganyan. Kasi yung merch namin, ganon, bibili nyo pa, tapos mga pamasahe, ganon. Hindi naman kailangan mag-aral na tayo. Ayun, Google Translate. Ayan, samahan nyo si Lumona Park. Madalas yan dito. Thai. Ano bang? Thai, diba? Thai lang. Magkano ba pinakamahal niyong merch? Itong t-shirt na to is 500 baht. Nasa story ko ata. Nasa story ko yung prices. Pero ito, this is exclusive for Cat Expo lang. Meron kaming isa pang shirt na maganda. And this one is resting. Kaya nga gusto ko nga din mag-wish bus Really? Colors merch is difficult to buy in Indonesia? Oh no! But maybe we can go to Indonesia someday. Madalas papuntahin mo ng Quad Lips event. Ooh! Thank you, Bagas, for the rockstar. Thank you. Customer siya, I am up kasi feeling ko, makakapag-merch lang kami whenever we go to the country. And okay naman yun. At least, may performance, siguro may high touch pa kung swerte. Madalas, baka siya, baka pwede mo siyang pabilhan ng merch si tita. Tita. Bango talaga nito. Ito, gift to ng fan Kami, tapos sa'yo muna. Ay, pwede! Pwede! Pasabay ng... Uy, si Jaime! Pasabay nyo kay Jaime. Si Jaime madalas dito. Ha? Sino nagsabi? Okay, see you, Natsu. See you soon. Magkano ba photo card? Wala dito yung photo card Ano siya? Set siya. Kung maalala. Wait lang. Check natin. Naka-post yun eh. Ang 200 Thai baht ang photo card. Tapos may photo set kami, 200 Thai baht din. Pero hindi ko alam if this is solely for... Mura lang. Tapos may sticker na ganito. May sticker na ganito na tig 80 baht. Pero hindi ko alam kung for Cat Expo lang to guys. Wait. Tapos may badge na 120 baht. And then may frame photo na 150 baht. Tapos yung high touch is kada 250 baht na purchase is one high touch ticket. Diba? Yun lang, yung ticket nyo papunta dito, yun yung medyo pricey. yun yung magpapamahal. Pero yun yung so far, sa ngayon. Yeah. Is Quadlips very busy today? Yes. A while ago, we went to the merch booth. Tapos, we have designated jobs. So, Fenny-san was the cashier. Hina-san was the packaging. Fame was the promoter. And I was the stamp, high-touch ticket stamp thingy. Yeah, I enjoyed it. I like it. 13K round trip. O, di ba? Yun lang, hindi pwedeng LRT pa Thailand. No, I don't know. Sorry. Stream lipstick, guys. Bakit? Tapos, nagpapatugtog ako ng Christmas songs tuwing nasa kami. Stream lipstick, guys! Wait. Hello, what is your ideal vacation? My ideal vacation would be with my family going to somewhere. Just going anywhere with my family in general. Member ka pa din po? Yes. Sobrang busy mo. Paano ka pa nakakapag-aral? Hindi na nga, ayun na nga, short courses lang. Certificate. Naghahakot lang ako ng certificate. You look younger now and fresh. Looks like you're having fun despite me. I did have fun kanina nung high touch. Tsaka nakakain din kasi ako kaya. Busog ako eh. Happy tummy, happy girly. Ano yung pharma mo? I will continue pharma, but yun, kasi as of now, super hirap kasi syempre pharmacy needs laboratory grades. So I need to go to the laboratory and do the experiments myself. And more hands-on kasi ang pharmacy. Kasi alam nga naman mag-pharmacy ka, bigay ka ng gamot, tapos mali-mali naman yung mo. Mali-mali naman yung mga gamot na binibigay mo, eh di may naman sa'yo. Kaya, I stopped pursuing pharma muna for this year. Though, I don't know how long Quadlips will be. So, I might take, let's see. Ayun nga, hindi kasi sure. Yun yung isa pa yun. Yeah, I really want to study too, but I feel like short courses is fine naman for now. Mag-psych ka na kaya di ba? I mean, may online naman. When was your last performance live? My next live performance will be tomorrow. At Cat Expo here in Taiwan. Psych ka na lang may lab. Ayun nga, may lab din ang psych. Pero may online naman, may full online naman. Yun nga ginagawa ko sa AMA. Mga short courses sa AMA. Thank you. Ang problem naman, pag na-try ko na yan lahat. Yung exchange student naman, kailangan may mga files pa, tapos may mga visa pa na iba. May mga visa pa. Naisip ko na rin yan. Overthinker ang ate mo, girl. Gusto mo naman yun. Yeah, that's true. Thank you, Mosh Blade. Looks like you gave a bombastic side eye to the customer. Which one? Hmm? Ah! Di na yung certain school sa kategory. Oh, no. Not anymore. Choice mo naman yung pharmacy. Yes, I love pharmacy. Here's the irony, there are medical that intern and lab is at the 4th year. But, yeah. But pharmacy has laboratory since 1st year. Are you having fun lately? You look tired and stressed, but on the happier side. I am tired and stressed today. But, there's a lot that I'm, alam mo yun, na natutunan ko about myself, natutunan ko about other people, about this industry, about a lot in general, like personal and outside, and just learning is fun. It's fun for me. So, and that's what, I feel like that's what life is all about. You just keep taking, you just keep growing. You just keep growing, ganon. Yeah, masaya. Mahirap, pero masaya. Hindi ka, Nas? Oh! No, I transferred na. Thank you, Eddie Meow. Yeah. I miss my friends there na nga din eh. Hi! How are you? This is an addiction. This is called... Di ba may inhaler? Ito yung inhaler. Thai person na ako, guys. I'm a Thai person na ako. Charot. Basta, may inhaler. Ito yung Yadong. Mas bigger version siya and it smells so good. Terima kasih. Sobrang layo mo sa group mo. Busy ka pa. Paano Group? What group? Maybe the cashier among the 4 of you. It's Fenisan. Fenisan was the cashier. Is there green? Oh, you call it Hong Thai. Okay. Yeah, but I like this one. Ito, regalo to ng fan kanina eh. Parang Lola Remedios. Lola Remedios na ginawang pang-inhale. Nakakaano kasi siya yung baradong ilong. Wala na. Wala ka ng baradong ilong. Aking green kulay. Hey, nice! Yeah, it's so good. That's what I'm trying to say. Look at it now. Ha, ha. Look at me. White, ayun! White flower. Ang amoy niya, siguro white flower. More on white flower than katingko. Dapat magdala pa ng maraming ganyan. Oo nga, pwede. Pamigay ko. Paano naman tayo magkikita-kita? Yadong. Yes, Yadong. Ay, pwede. Yan, nakaka-clear siya ng nose and ng mind. Sorry, not sponsor, yes. Ay, sasagot pala. Wow, ganun. Thank you, Kantegi. Isa pa yan. Tsaka nakakaintindi na ako ng Thai thanks to this book. Wait. Ay, nasa. Ito. Thanks to this book. I don't read it every day, I'll be honest. But once I do, it's easier to understand stuff here. Whiplash. Okay, noted yan, noted. Aside from being an idol, how do you do for a living there? I journal. I journal and Yeah, I go out, shopping, live. Ayoko mag-Thai convo. No. No po. Noted was that yes. That response was for you. Oh, I saw your yeah. Let's try. Naka. The tonal they have 5 tones. Yeah, basta may 5 tones. Tapos pag nagkamali ka ng tone, iba na yung meaning nun. Ganun. So, miso sobrang. Yeah, true. Mali ka. Sino pinaka mabenta sa inyong 4 ko sa fans? Siyempre si Fame. Kasi nasa Thailand. Oh my gosh! Long time no see! Hala! Pag-uwi ko talaga! Sir Luis, pag-uwi ko talaga. Kailangan ko na. Halika na, mag-aral ka na ng Thai. I'm just scared to go shopping and you guys are, why? Try. Oh, sniff it. Go. Ano amoy? Smell. I don't know. Yeah, of course. Sarap sa tenga, sakit sa ilong. Hi. Grabe nag-collab, Fenidil collabs and Hall of Fame. Oo nga. Good night, Eddie Meow. Thank you so much pala, Mosh Blade, for that. Oh, I see. Kaya pala familiar. Pero, I don't know. Good night. Yeah, it's late na, guys. I think you guys need to sleep na. Ako din. I think I need to sleep na din. But it was really, really fun talking to you guys. Wait nyo lang ako. Pupunta. Uuwi ako dyan. Magkikita-kita tayo for sure. Thank you, Jello Boy. Oo nga, hindi ko nakita yung animation mo though. What happened? Taga Manila kami di uso. One full scoop. What do you mean? Life? Kayo ganyan. Babato ko to tayo. Sige. Bad. Miss ko na rin kayo. Sanghong Thai. Ala, hindi kasya lahat ng ganun sa inyo, no? Thank you. Thank you, guys. Wala, nakakainis naman eh. Nanahimik ako dito eh. Thank you. Miss ko na rin kayo. Mga taga Metro Manila ang makakita. Pwede pa ba VC sa Stanley? I'm not sure. Ate. Hindi ka na, ate ko. Gusto ko na rin umuwi. Pero madami pang gagawin dito. Tapusin ko muna lahat na kailangan kong gawin dito and then umuwi ako. Okay? Thank you. I miss you guys. See you soon. See you real soon. Kasi naman yung timing mo, Lemona eh. Hello. Hi. Yes, hello. I can't. Ate Cory. No, not anymore. Nakalabas ka ba dyan, Cole? Yeah. Madalas kasama ko sila Hinano, Aomi, si Fenisan, yan, ganyan. Cool. Hindi na kami nakakapag-usap, but yeah, support pa rin. Support pa din. Support ko pa rin siya. Aww, it's okay. May next time pa. Hopefully, there's next time. Yeah, let's see if... Siguro, yeah, I'll go sub live tomorrow na lang. Okay? Okay, Mai? Tama. Yung asaran kasi sino sa baby sa MNL. Well, hindi na kami parehas baby sa MNL. Mas matangkad ako sa kanya. At saka mas bata ako sa kanya, what you mean? Hi! Nung una nakakalito talaga. Weh! Hi! Nanggit ka? The baby, to be honest. No! They're much younger than me. There's 4th gen like ratio. Ano height mo na? Ganun pa din nata. Hindi na ata ako tumangkad. 167, 68. Ganun pa din, sir. Strange Thai words. Of course she did! Of course I'm not gonna say it here. Of course I can't say it here. Hi! Uy, hindi. 167 centimeters. Weh! Baby ka pa rin kasi yung 4th gen and 3rd gen nag-grow na. Paano nangyari yun? True. That's true. Mahal kita. What if Cole gets angry? You don't want me to be angry. I'm so kind. Diba guys? I'm a kind person. Guys, right? Swear mo pa si Mim tagal pa mag... What if sa Quadlips event ka pumunta? I'm a kind person. I don't get mad. Thank you, the Mac, for the rose. Oh yeah, may surprise kami tomorrow! May surprise kami tomorrow sa Cat Expo. We have a surprise. A very, very, very big surprise. I feel like you won't know. You wouldn't know. Nobody would know. Although somebody spoiled it na. But nobody would have known. Hindi ko alam, Sir Luis. I don't know. Is that lipstick is I know, it does sound like pink venom. Is that pink venom? But I'm not sure. The youngest. Thank you. There. Bango kaya? Wala ka nito. Punta ka na dito kasi. Puntahan niyo na ako dito. Penge, please. Puntahan niyo ako dito. Bibigyan ko kayo. Hindi. Sila pa magbibigay sa'yo. Thank you, Ralph. Oh my gosh. Sing Hot with Match Tirit na. Diba? Meron eh. Automatic. Ayaw nga pala may bagyo. Will you guys come to Indonesia to promote this comeback? I'm not sure, but let's see. Girl, hindi. Ay, nako. Eh, kasi nga, ganun siya. Dapat ganun. Dapat ganun. Hindi pwedeng ganyan. Hindi pwede, dapat may ganun. Ayoko na nga. Kulit ko na naman, inaantok na kasi ako. She's one. Apa? Magkano ba ticket? Naku, dream talaga sa Thailand. Naku! Tapos na-discover niyo yung Pop Mart. Naku talaga. Talaga. Oh! I like Koey. I like Koey more. What? What is that? What does that mean? Cover ka na ulit. Yun nga, may dare pa. So, yung dare na yun, gagawin ko siyang vlog, tapos gagawa ko ng song cover nung dare na yun. But, unfortunately, we don't have time yet, free time. So, I'm in November, so I can't wait for that for real. Me too, I can't wait to go home. Sana pwede pa VC. Hindi ko alam yet. As of now, wala pa akong balita. Naka we can ask that too. It's a gift from Pink. What? Good! We have culture shock in Thailand. I feel like, oh, I want that gold champagne too. Anyway, not so much. I feel like the only shocking thing is the language and the words and the bowing with this one. But other than that, not so much. Yeah, nakasali ako. Thank you, Bagas, for the roses. Ah. Okay, what was I saying? Thank you. Hirap na nga. Yeah, mahirap yung writing ng Thai. Mahirap siya intindihin. Tapos yung grammar, iba-iba pa. Tapos, pero overall, mababait yung mga tao dito. I mean, so far, mababait yung mga tao dito. I cannot understand Thai. I'm so sorry. Please don't mind that. Over there, I am... As you can see, I am stressed. Charot. Yeah, buhay pa. Actually, mayroon ako dapat na ipopost na Japan vlog na hindi ko pa din napopost. Kasi mayroon pa akong hindi nako-confirm na scene doon. So, pag na-approve na yung scene na yun, post ko na yan. No, I haven't! House food ng Thailand. Masarap, pero pag foodie ka, dito ka pumunta. Like, pag gusto mo yung mga exotic food or unusual types of food, punta ka ng Thailand. Kasi dito yon. Tsaka kung mahilig ka sa maanghang, for sure dito ka pumunta. Pag gusto ng mga tao sa Japan, kasi masarap pagkain sa Japan. Tsaka malinis. Tsaka madaming bagay-bagay doon na mura. Bye-bye! Sobrang tagal na eh. Sorry. Sige. I'll upload that na once na ano. Nakulito ko pa ng adobo lang. But yeah, that's true. I need to sleep na rin talaga. Nakulito ko pa ng Filipino food dyan. Yeah, adobo. Pero may ano dito. May Filipino cuisine na restaurants. Doon ako madalas kumakain. Or yun, nagluluto ko sarili ko food. Hello? Hello, why are you late, sir? Ay, wala na. Patapos na. Yeah, if you have gastrointestinal ailments, it's not a good idea to go in Thailand. Wala na. Tapos na. Ay, hindi. Tapos na. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for, ay, joke lang, 46 minutes pa. 46 minutes pa lang. May ano pa tayo? 4 minutes. Really? I hope so. Let's see. Let's see if we get to sell our merch there. And late ka na. Hi! I'm okay. How about you? Ano part mo sa song na Labrador Retriever? Wala akong part na. True. That is actually my face. Pag Hindi. Late ka. M2 pero wala ka doon M2 ako pero kasi late second gen na and first gen ang nakapag-record ng song na yon. Hindi kami nakapag-re-record ng Labrador. Bisa Bahasa Indonesia. Thank you so much. Ay, syempre, ang weird naman kung ganyan lang, di ba? Di ba? Dapat feel na feel mo. Not really. I can't speak Indonesia that much. Can't speak Bahasa that much. But I know a few words. Parang ganyan. Ganon, pinaghalo nung ganyan tsaka yung ganon. But I don't know how to, what is it? How to buy order from abroad. Just come here. Where are you from? Just come here. Meron ako na stick pero wala ka ngayon kasi nga makalat yung kwarto ko ngayon kasi makalat akong tao. Pero malinis din akong tao at the same time. Pero lately kasi nga busy. Hindi ko naliligpit yung kwarto ko. Anyway. Stream lipstick for good grades and stream lipstick for clears. Correct. I don't know when we can go to Indonesia, Jakarta. Not sure yet. Ang kalat here. Anyway, di ba tayo mag-end kasi kakadating. Anyway, mag-end na tayo kasi dumating na siya. Bukas. Pero sub live yung bukas. Grabe. Ang tagal mo eh. Kasalanan ko. Rap, Cole. Okay, we got it, Moshblade. Which part? Sige, let's wrap down. Yo! Is it worth it? Let me work you put my thing on. Wait. I think I have the... I don't want it. Don't you worry. I think I have the... Full song before I end. No. Sorry, mali. Wait. Hello! Where is it? Sorry. Play in the darkness to get your attention. We slay, Ray. I don't care, we gon' get him now. Ha, ha, ow! Sorry, not someday. Follow me, you know me. Put the trigger to my head, no need to hesitate. I'll blow your mind, but blow your mind by you. lipstick. When I put my lipstick, all the girls go wah. Straight to the top. When I put my lipstick. When I put my lipstick, all the boys go wah. Ah! Hindi na ako makasigaw. Chasing me. Gabi na. All the girls go wah. It's worth it, let me work it, put my thing on. Flipping and reverse, it gives you everything you want. I'm a freaking, I'm a narcissist, gonna set you on the front. I'm a hard, bad, cool, yeah. Eat you like a cherry, yeah. Na 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 na. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yes, I can build a nation with the qualification. Why you keep chasing all the flames, defeating all the pains? There's no need to be afraid. But you call me like that, baby. You're the things that I could take it, but you're wrong. There's nothing you can do to say. Straight to the top when I put my lipstick. When I put my lipstick. Straight to the. This is why we need 4 members for this song. It's all. I don't need nobody chasing me. The girls go wild. You think I lay down, and I don't think I would find someone else to feed your ego. I'm too busy. I got a brand new attitude, and I'm gonna wear it tonight. I've had enough, so boss up, change your life with your heart. Oh, yeah. I can't pull. It's too noisy. Thank you. Well, hindi ko na todo. Could do better. Maybe next time. I can't be noisy because people are resting na. True! That is so true! Because, yeah, they asked for help from me, that's why. And I'm really, really proud of them kasi they did their own, of course. They study by themselves. And, yeah, super, super proud ako. Galing ko, tutor. Thank you. Proud ako sa kanila. Super, super, super. Fanny said, when you sing, she can hear your voice. I know. That's why I need to be quiet now because she's probably resting. And this wall is like super thin. What's Kiyowo? Thank you. Hindi, nagtatapo ako sa'yo. Kung, kala mo I do not forget. I know forever true. Ganun talaga. You're late. Yes, Fanny lives in the next room and then the other room is Pisher prank. That's why I need to be quiet. Kaya, wow. Nagtampo ka ba? Grabe talaga ang mga lalabs na yan. Ay, grabe talaga. Yeah. Yes. Yes, that is true. Kaya pag kumakanta ako, tas medyo madaling araw na, the next day, sabihin nila, Cole, I heard you singing, ganyan, ganyan. Oo nga eh. Dapat malinis palagi, eh, hindi ko pa nalinis. Yung ganon. Yay! Dadating mo barangay tanod? Hopefully not. I'll watch your performance. Thank you. Saan ba go? Kahoy o semento. Pero feeling ko super nipis lang talaga niya. Kasi pag, like when I, what you call this? Katok. Pag kinatok ko siya, marinig niya. Or pag sumigaw ako dito, marinig niya. Of course, I've heard Fanny's son angry. I mean, I feel like not the way you heard. No po, I'm not Colette Dini po. You purposely not? Yes. Sometimes. Anyway, I'm gonna end the live na, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for 56 minutes with me. Thank you for how many? 13.6 thousand hearts and for 41 viewers tonight. Hi, goodbye. Kung kailan... wala, ang tagal nyo eh. Ano oras na? 11:16 na dyan. Kakarating nyo lang. Mga pasaway. Anyway, stream lipstick. And I'll see you maybe tomorrow. Let's see. De wala ka din. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you soon, hopefully. Bye-bye. Ganon talaga. Charot. De, bawi ka na lang. Ganon naman talaga. Bye-bye. Namiss ko kayo. Namiss mo ako. Bye. Bye.